Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the Rabbit Hutch Bunny Cage, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, designed with convenience and safety in mind. This spacious cage measures an impressive 93.7 inches and features 4 deep, removable pull-out trays that ensure no leakage, making cleaning a breeze. With its superior plastic quality and 8 wheels, including 4 locking casters, you can easily move and secure the cage wherever you need. Your furry friends will love the 2 large running areas and the opening roof, while the 2 front doors and middle sliding access door make catching and cleaning effortless. The 2-story design, complete with a ramp to the top platform, offers plenty of exercise space to keep your bunnies active and happy. Plus, the Safeguard lock and rain-resistant roof provide added protection, ensuring your pets are safe from predators and harsh weather. Transform your pet's living space with this versatile and durable bunny hutch, designed for both comfort and security. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.